Topking Manufacture Co Ltd is located in Jiangmen City, one of the biggest hardware manufacturing bases of China. It takes 1.5 hours to Hong Kong and Macau, 2 hours from Guangzhou to Jiangmen. With a long-term partner factory of 9,980 square meters, we have been working with many brands and superstore customers in European and North American countries for household products like kitchenware, barware, bathware, and garden products in a variety of materials made by different surface treatment for many years. With a strong R&D team, professional production management system, and efficient output, Topking has been growing rapidly and working closely with customers who have achieved a great success in their market as well. Topking commits ourselves to provide premium services, products, and proposals and aim to become the leading integrator providing superior home lifestyle in concepts, elements, and products. OEM projects have been proved to be successful with our efforts. Our QC team carries out strict quality control on each order and is able to find out and solve the problems at early stage to ensure a minimum defect rate. Mix loading, color box, and hanging tag design could be provided in each order. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. Warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. Thank you.